Hello, tổng tên nó là tụi tôi share đại gió number cloud Richard, yeah. Richard, như muốn là gọi xong sở chế họ cứ rõ họ sợ họ còn bảo tôi Richard nè thiết chỉ nhẹ thọ ya các bạn chú vư thầu Richard hiện nhiều một tờ chuyện ya tờ trong cho đấu xử lý những chế của chị.
Hello everyone. How are you guys doing today? Happy New Year's to you guys, and today is our day 2. I am glad that everyone could be here. For my talent today, I'm gonna be working out for you guys. Well, not working out. I'm gonna show you my morning routine that everyone could do. It's gonna be very simple. It's gonna be very short, and it's gonna be good for those who are beginning or they're very short on time. And first, I'm gonna be doing 3 exercises today. One is gonna be the push-up, the squat, and the lunges. So I'm gonna be performing those. I'm going to be performing those to you guys today, and let's have fun.
Sau đây, 我先得到 Richard 和 music 的咯。
I'm not going to be doing that today, so, well, that was my short morning routine for you guys, and hope you guys enjoyed it.